Morning. Today's topic is string manipulations. What are string manipulations? We are going to manipulate or modify set of strings, or we are going to learn what are the methods that can modify the string. So strings are fundamental and essential data structures in Python program. So every Python programmer should know how to manipulate strings. So string is nothing but a sequence of characters enclosed within either single quotes or double quotes. If I say srm ist, when I write srm ist within double quotes, or if I write srm ist within single quotes, that becomes a string, and it is by and it is immutable data structure. Immutable means once you create it, you cannot modify that particular string. So that is why it is called as immutable data structure. But we can able to create new strings either by concatenating, or you can able to slice existing strings. So first concept is called as string padding. String padding is nothing but we can able to add characters to the beginning or to the end of the string until it reaches a particular length. So particularly it is going to be helpful in formatting text to align with other data, or we are going to make it easier to read. For example, let's say we have a string called as Python. Now we want to either we can able to pad it left justified or right justified padding. So in this case, left justified padding we are going to have, and which will be having 10 characters. So it is going to justify the string to the left with some 10, totally 10 characters, and already in Python we have 6 characters. The remaining 4 characters are filled with white spaces. And when you print the padded text variable, you will be getting this kind of output. And next is nothing but the rjust method. It is going to add space or dashes to the beginning of the string until it is 10 characters. So for example, in this program we have given 10, that is why it is given until it is 10 characters long. For example, if we have a text called as Python, now we are going to use the rjust method, and the total number of characters we are going to give 10 characters and then hyphen. That means Python has 6 characters. So the remaining spaces will be filled with a hyphen, and it is R justified. So the hyphen will be coming in the first 4 characters and the remaining 6 characters will be of Python. So first 4 characters hyphen, then 6 characters are nothing but the Python string. So it is R justified. That means here it is going to give some spaces, or you can able to give some hyphen or whatever character you want, you can have it, and then comes the string. Whereas in case of left justified, you are going to have the Python string and then comes the space or hyphen, whatever you want. Then string splitting. So splitting, as the name implies, whenever you want to divide a string into multiple substrings, we can go for this particular method, and it can be achieved by using split method. Again, split is a built-in method. So whenever you have a particular method, and how you are going to split it. So in the text I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. You are going to split these 6 words. Okay, and how we are going to split it. So hello world, how are you today? So whenever I use the split method, so this text, okay, text is an object, text dot split method. When I call this split method, it will be splitted and prints us the result as a list, like this. Next, string stripping. Stripping means it is particularly used for data cleaning, like in NLP processes and all. NLP processing will be using these kind of techniques. Like whenever you are going to work with raw data, this method is going to be helpful. Like whenever you want to remove unnecessary characters from the beginning or end of the string, you can go for string stripping. So as I said, this is the most often method used by data scientists, and it is very tedious. Whenever they use web scraping to scrap some data from the web, they use these kind of methods to strip off the like unwanted characters before and after the particular string. And for this particular concept, we use the strip method. For example, I have a text content called hello world. In front of hello, we have three exclamatory operator, and after that we have three exclamatory operator. Now, I wanted to remove this particular three characters, three exclamatory operators. So what we are going to do is which particular character you are going to strip off from the particular text. So you have to give this particular character and it will be stripped off from the entire text. So you can not entire text either at the left or at the right, not in the middle and all. So it is going to remove either at the left or at the right. So next is string concatenation. Concatenation means just add two strings together. So let's say I have in one variable I have Python, the other has awesome. So I want to make it as a single string. So in that case, not a single string, it like you're going to concatenate it. So that means add a variable to another variable. So Python is, then the second variable is nothing but it has awesome. So x plus y. X has Python plus means it is going to concatenate, add it with awesome, which is there in y. So the output will be Python is awesome. And next is string search. It is like I want to find out a particular character in my string. Then we go for string search. It comes with two methods, one with find, the other one with the index. So for example, I have a sentence called as find me if you can me. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find out where is me or where is you and where is I. Okay. And then for the first case, it is going to find out where is the position of me. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth position, in the fifth position, we can able to find out me. And you where? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At the 11th position, we can able to find out you. And then the third one is I, capital I. Actually, we have small I. It tries to find out capital I, but it is not there in this particular string. So it is going to throw you an error called as value error. That's all about string manipulations. Thank you.